Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's prepare to experience another touch of pure singing magic. I say another because she had a rehearsal a few minutes ago, so maybe someone was very lucky, like me, before to hear her singing. And so let's celebrate our 10-year anniversary milestone. And we are privileged to host an award-winning international classic crossover singer. She has performed at the Vatican, at the House of Commons, and recently topped the iTunes classical charts at #1 within just 24 hours of her release. And so please, your warmest welcome to the spectacular Victoria Kennedy.
Oh mio bambino caro, mi piace bene andare in porta rossa a Campirano. Sì, sì, ci voglio andare e se domani se torno andrai sul monte vecchio, ma per buttarmi in arno mi strada in mezzo al vento, vorrei morir. Babbo Pietà, Babbo Pietà, Pietà.